Star Wars.
Did you have some other favorites?
Oh, yeah, we like this bottle opener. This is called the Party Handle. It's still in its prototype stage, but it could do 3 different things. You know, those soda bottles that get, or water bottles that get too heavy and unwieldy.
Right.
You pour it, you hand it on, or you can open up a bottle with it.
Oh, so it opens and it holds it.
And you can even take your water bottle and
is this what,
hang it.
are these out yet?
No, this is a prototype. He's hoping to make it. So I don't know, what do you guys think of it?
He's hoping to make it. What would it retail for? Did he tell you? Not yet.
Not yet. I mean, it all has to be made, priced out. And if you have an invention and you're thinking, you know, what's the next great idea? How do I get it someplace? You need to get to a company like Invention Home or some other companies out there. They're going to protect you because you don't want this out without a patent, without information.
You want to make sure you hold on to your idea.
That you hold on
so
to
this
your
wouldn't be a
idea.
good place to announce my next invention then. Yeah.
You could tell, tell
not
me.
before you talk to your attorney.
And my co-host.
Janice, thanks.
Like they are today, you might actually use this.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get to our next inventor. Tell me your name, what you invented, and give me your pitch. Go.
Hi, my name is Kun, and I invented the Handle It.
Okay.
It's a universal 3-in-1 soda bottle handle.
Yep.
It goes on easy, no more greasy, sodas. It gives you a nice, easy grip, and you can easily pour the soda in there.
Ah.
And then it's easy comes off, and you can also use it as a bottle opener.
Look at you.
That's right.
Look at you.
And then it's also, if you go hiking,
okay.
just use it as a carrier. You want to go to school, you can do whatever you want with it. And then it all goes together.
Okay.
So that it stores nicely together in your drawer. And it's good for all occasions and all ages.
There you go. And it looks like almost like a slinky the way it moves.
Yeah,
huh?
I mean, you can play with it. You can use it as a toy too, I guess.
All right. How did he do? Give us some feedback.
Yeah, he's got to give his pitch tomorrow. I don't want to get too excited, but he did pretty good.
Okay, all right. I'll take this because I'm going to take something from everybody. Good morning to
Sometimes at parties, bottles get slippery, but with Handle It, you'll always have the perfect pour.